Are you suffering from tiredness, headaches, increased irritability, a desire to sleep during the day? Do you dream of getting a good night's sleep? But the reality is your partner snores. You nudge and you elbow them, but all too soon, they're snoring again. If you're like many partners of snorers, you may even be forced into another bedroom, and that isn't good. It can be frustrating, it can be annoying, it can be exhausting and upsetting. While most people tend to think that noise is the most problematic result of snoring, there are much more serious consequences for people who snore as a result of not obtaining enough oxygen during sleep. So, stop dreaming about a good night's sleep. There's a solution that's easy and medication-free with nothing to put in your mouth. Be Well is introducing the Snore Stopper, and here to tell us all about it is the beautiful Tessa. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Mike.
The Snore Stopper, how does it work?
Well, most people only snore when they're on their back, so the solution is to get them to roll over. Snore Stopper detects specific frequencies of noise and vibration. So every time the wearer starts to snore, it sends out that gentle electrical impulse, prompting the wearer to change position and stop snoring, usually without them even waking up.
Okay, that's a bonus for everybody,
Yes.
which I love. Can we see it in action?
Sure. Well, we can place the Snore Stopper on your wrist, so. And before we do that, we add a dab of this conducting gel.
Okay, so the gel is a conductor?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so place on your wrist.
This is the Snore Stopper, folks. I'm going to be your guinea pig today.
Now, all of us have different levels of skin sensitivity. So the level that you adjust the impulse can be set here with 8 different settings. There's even a test button, so you can feel the strength before putting on your Snore Stopper to make sure the setting is exactly right before you turn out the light.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is just set it to the highest.
No, you're not going to set it to the highest, are you?
I'm just going to set it to number 1.
Okay, start off low.
Yes.
This is the test process, folks. This is what you do when you get your Snore Stopper at home.
Make sure you test it first. Simply click the test button 3 times slowly.
Okay.
So ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, and you should feel the impulse. How does that feel?
Yeah, no, I can actually. Yeah. Yeah, slight.
Yes, do you want to go a bit higher?
Yeah, okay. I'm brave.
Right, we'll take it up to 4.
So when I'm snoring on my back, and this is activated obviously by the vibrations, I'm not actually going to wake up, am I? I'm just going to be prompted to turn.
That's correct. If you are waking up, then the setting's slightly too high, so just turn it down.
Okay, cool. Does this actually help retrain people to snore less?
Yes. The more often wearers use Snore Stopper, the less often they even start to snore.
Have you met many people that have had to have it up at 8? My dad would be one. Dad, you need this. Mum's going to love it. This is what you're getting for a present from me.
Well, it really depends. I only have it on 1, that's enough.
Right.
But my partner needs it on 5, so there could be room for number 8s there.
Okay, so I love this because this is basically giving every single person who is a snorer, whether they're a light snorer or a heavy snorer, the option to test it and work out exactly what setting they should be on. And I tell you what, you don't even notice it's there.
It's very lightweight. It's not cumbersome at all. It's not like a heavy watch. It's just on your wrist and very lightweight, as I said.
And easy to use, as you've just seen. So what will sleep time look like now that we have the Snore Stopper?
Well, your nighttime routine will look like this, and not a snoring nightmare. And that's a wonderful feeling for snorers too. If you've been a snorer, you can go to sleep knowing that you soon won't be disturbing the person you love.
Right, think about the frustration of being kept awake and ask yourself, how much is good sleep worth? Chances are you would say priceless. Let's have a look at what other people have had to say about the Snore Stopper.
The Snore Stopper has been amazing. Since we've been using it, we just can't get enough of it. We've had a great night's sleep.
The first time in years I don't wake up grumpy, and also the wife says that I don't hold my breath while I'm sleeping.
I hated using the snoring mouthguard. It was a real hassle every night. But I love the Snore Stopper, and so does my wife.
That's amazing. Some excellent testimonials there. Now we have another important person to introduce you to. Jeremy Seamark is the Director of Be Well New Zealand and the founder of Ariel Community Care, a charitable society. I got up with Jeremy earlier and asked him about his involvement with Be Well New Zealand and Ariel Community Care Charitable Society.
We are a charitable society that aims to provide, first and foremost, vocational skills and employment opportunities to adults with varying abilities. Seeing the smile on people's faces is the best thing for me. Our business model is 20% of all our profit goes to Ariel Community Care. Every product that Be Well New Zealand sells, I use, or my family uses. I won't sell anything to anybody that I haven't tried myself. I mean, the snore stopper, I know it works because sometimes if I haven't put it on and I end up snoring, I wake up in the morning and my wife stuck it on my hand while I'm asleep.
Thank you very much, Jeremy. What an amazing man. Thank you so much for that. For every snore stopper purchased on the shopping channel, 20% will be donated to the Ariel Community Care Charitable Society. Think about the frustration of being kept awake and ask yourself, how much is good sleep worth? Chances are you'd say priceless. But in fact, the